welcome back to my channel Cindy Novella. Okay, interesting. Let me tell you about myself first. I'm from Indonesia and now I live in Vietnam. But the situation right now is not really good because we should stay home. So sometimes, you know, I'm bored to stay home all day. Recently I was watching how to cook Vietnamese food. So in this video I want to bring you how to cook Vietnamese food by Cindy. Okay. Make sure that you will watch until the end of this video. I will cook this food. The name of the food is cá hấp hành gừng. Cá hấp hành gừng. It's like a steamed fish with ginger and leaf onion. Yeah, something like that. So let's try. Okay, check it out. Hi, xin chào. Hello. How are you? Now I'm cooking fish. See, cá Thôi đang nấu ăn cá. When you don't have a steam machine, just use rice cooker, but don't forget to put water like full inside there under the fish. It's water. So yes, let's steam it. Okay, yeah, let's check it out. Check it out. Oof. Look that fish. Oh, it's so hot. Oh. Well done. Wow, well done, see? Finally, I have done, and here is a boiled tofu, cá hấp hành gừng, steamed fish with onion, ginger, and leek, rice, chilies, and boiled vegetables. Let's eat together with me. I have my dinner. I cook this whole. Okay, here are the rice. Let me drink first. Okay, and let's start. I have my rice. This is a sticky rice and different, not like Indonesian rice. Yes, and fish. The taste is very good. Usually Vietnamese eating with chopsticks, so here I'm learning eating with chopstick too. Like Vietnamese style. Hi mom, it's the name of the tray. See the silver one, Vietnamese style. Yeah, you know, you have to try to cook something different at your home, and you know, this is very good, especially during a quarantine days, so you can cook at home, easy to cook and healthy. I love it. Really, I love it. This is very yummy. And look, this one is tofu. Yeah, I put in the chili sauce. Yep. And very yummy. You can try it. Look at the fish. Yum! Yummy! Wherever you are, have a delicious food and let's practice social distance with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Yeah, so I will make a video every week for you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye. Be safe.